I was excited because he's a big pastry chef in Sweden.
Something that I never experienced before.
We have the focus on Swedish taste.
Chef Olsson is here to inspire us, teach us new techniques and teach us everything about Swedish pastry.
It was a pleasure to see him in person and meet him and get to learn from him.
You learn new techniques, different ways to think, and you can see different tastings together.
Even if you have some knowledge before you start, it's nothing compared to what you have when you finish.
Turn it 1/3, and then we take this one, like this. First this one. Hold away. You have different type of chocolate. Some chocolate is only made to dip for, some chocolate is only made to make ice cream for, some chocolate is good for ganache, for vermousse. Why it's 7.55? The level of the teacher in this school is fantastic, very high. You have from the basic and you have up to sugar and chocolate sculpture, and the local is fantastic. They have everything here. Take a lot of photos. Be open for new taste, to learn more, to be creative. Work hard.